Hola. How goes it? Solo GO train mission. Am I hot in my sweater? No, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I mean, it's air conditioned in here, so that helps. But it'll cool down. It'll cool. Where are you heading? T.O. We're headed to the city. Headed to the city. Hello there. Hello.
Where the fuck is the pizza?
Thank you for the heartbeats. Candace, we're meeting there, yeah. We're meeting there. What's shaking? Not much. Not much. This is gonna be our live for tonight. This will be our live. Little GO train live action. I was gonna have a GO train beer, but I don't have like a cozy or anything, so can't really hide it. Kind of pooch there. How long is the ride? I think we got like another. We'll be there by 8 something. Hey there. Hola. Should I just a cozy? A beer cozy? Should I just drink one anyways? It's a Pepsi. That's all it is. It's just a Pepsi. Faster on the GO train? Yeah, no, but that traffic though to get here or to get to the Burlington GO station was god awful. God awful. It took like almost 2 hours. And it usually only takes one. So you can imagine. I had some foul words to say. Sitting there in the truck, not moving. And then the QEW's like, oh, save 15 minutes by this route. So then I take that route, and guess what? It ended up being slower because then some jackass's car died in the middle of the road. And it backed it up. It made it even slower that way. So that's how my journey has gone so far. It is what it is, though. It is what it is. Yep. Yep. Yes, I am. BG. BG. That was me last weekend driving to Niagara Falls. The traffic was insane. Yeah. This time of the year, it's always bad, especially around that kind of hour. But like, there was an accident on the highway and then a dead car in the middle of the road. So, just a double whammy. A double whammy. Hope you're doing well, Mama K.
Stand clear. Doors are closing.
Amanda, thank you for the Go Popular. Kim with the heart meat. Beth with the Go Populars as well. Thank you. But yeah, like I said, this is gonna be our live for the night. Tonight. Manuela, thank you for the roses. On vacation as of now. Very nice. Very nice. That's gotta feel great. Kelly, thank you for the heart meat. Yeah, quick little live. You know, it's almost like a tradition when we're on the GO train. We usually do one. Usually. Just keeping her going. Manuela, thank you again. Thank you.
Port Credit's our next stop. Port Credit. For any passengers who wish to exit at Long Branch, however, please note the following coaches will not be opening there due to platform construction.
Candace,
Coaches,
thank you.
335,
Much love.
2827,
Much love.
2012,
Kelly as well.
4056,
Beth, probably.
4187,
Yeah,
2325,
probably.
and 2239.
That's why I'm trying to kind
If
of
you're
talk as
located
quiet
next
as
to
I
those coaches
can.
and wish to exit at
Not
Long
draw
Branch,
too much
make your way
attention
to
to
the train
myself.
in the same direction the train's traveling in until you reach coach 4533. That's the accessibility card.
Where are you headed? Toronto. Kathy, absolutely. First week of college done. In the books. In the books. How much is what? What you mean, Colombo? Thank you for the roses. Thank you, thank you. Celebrate it, yeah, exactly. Kelly with the shiny air balloon. Jeez, Kelly. Much love, Kelly. Sierra, thank you for the heartbeat. Welcome to the team. Welcome. I think GO train tickets are only like $12. 12 and a half bucks. One way. So 24, 25 bucks there and back. Kelly with the tiny surfing as well. Kelly is popping off. Kelly, come on. Incredible. Incredible. Johnny boy, we're headed to, I'm going to CBG in TO. Asha, hello. Hello there. Yeah, Candace, I think it's only sometimes. Out of St. Catharines. Only on select days. And I could be wrong about that. It might even just be buses, to be honest. Dennis, you got it. Kelly again with the tiny surfing. Kelly, much love. Oh wait, no, that's the tiny chill. The chill. Thank you. Popping off, Kelly. Popping off. Incredible. We're going to the city. Headed to the city. Much love again, Kelly. Much love. And the backing monkey. Katie, it is indeed. It is indeed. Candace, thank you. Manuel. Love. A team. Work makes the dream work. Amanda as well, thank you. We used to listen to the train, now we're on it. The train. Hello, CD. Hello. Candace with the train. Much love, Candace. Much love. I appreciate it. We actually, there's like a whole party bus got on the cart here, and they went up to like the floor above. There's a fuck ton of them. You can probably hear them in the back, but other than that, this cart's pretty empty. Beth, thank you for the tiny hot dogs. Mucho gracias. Chanel. What's up, Chanel? Well, people are kayaking. Kayaking away. And thank you for the tiny and dinies.
Now arriving at Port Credit.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Tiny hot dogs. Ooh, could get some street meat tonight. some street meat, go for a dog. Beth, I am indeed, yeah. Yep. There is no way I will be able to drive later, so we're spending the night. Are you guys going out on the town? Yeah, we're gonna go to a few different bars and nothing crazy, you know? Nothing crazy.
Stay clear, doors closing.
Candace, much love. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. That's very kind. Very sweet of you. Very sweet. Mucho gracias. Kelly as well with the tiny surf. And Kelly, let's fucking go. Come on. Come on. Manuela with the Rose. Chanel with the WGA car. Y'all are popping off here. Popping off. Holy smokes. And the watermelon. What is that? The watermelon love. Watermelon. Joyce, thank you. And Chanel, I will absolutely try my best. I hope you enjoy your night as well. Kelly, come on. Asha, much love. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all are incredible. Incredible.
Long Branch is our next stop. Long Branch. Please note the following coaches will not be opening there. For any passengers located in these coaches, they will not be opening at Long Branch. Coaches 335, 2827, 2012, 4056, 4187, 2325, and 2239.
TGIF is right. I had 3 hours of math to start this beautiful Friday.
In the same direction.
But you know what? It actually wasn't bad.
Until you reach coach 45.
It really wasn't bad.
That is the accessibility
We
card
had a quiz.
where I'm located.
Smashed that shit. 95%. I don't know what the... I don't know what mark I lost. Because I feel like I only lost 1 mark. And I was thinking back and I genuinely don't know what it could have been, but it's fun. It's fun. To be honest, the quiz was easy. It was a very easy quiz, so, but. From the Burlington go to Toronto, I think it's about an hour. About an hour. It's an A. It is an A. Yep. No, we're doing muy bien. Muy bien. Mary, hello. Hello there. We'll have to go kind of soon. My phone battery's dropping real quick and I'm gonna need to save that sucker in order to navigate. We'll have to call it in the next couple minutes. Or I'll be poached. Manuela, thank you. I will. Hope you enjoy your night as well. Or I guess your night's almost over, but I hope you enjoyed your night. Do you remember them all? Oh, the 24-hour live, and then we dropped BG off at the airport. I do remember that. That was terrible conditions. We did a wine and dine that night. Oh, fuck. Didn't go to bed. Was hungover. Felt like shit. We powered through though. We powered through. We got banned. We got banned on the one account. It was a fun night though, yeah. It was. The raccoons. Yeah, the raccoons, the trash pandas, yeah. Yo. Oh yeah, Rain, did you go to Tijuana? Today? Oh, golf course. Damn. It's like I can sniff them out. I just sensed it. I knew it was coming up. You did? Just got back? Very nice. Very nice. Hope you enjoyed your time. TP. Alright, ladies. We're gonna call it for now. We are gonna call it for now. But we will see you later. Thank you all for tuning in for this little Go Train Live. I appreciate it. Thank you all for everything. I hope you enjoy the rest of your night. And as always, good night. And love you, bye. For now. Ciao, ciao. Rain, much love as well. Thank you, thank you. Love you, bye. Love you, bye.